morning friends. From the fundamental research side, we have come out with a new thematic report on Raymond versus Alok versus Raymond Limited. Here we are asking our investors to switch from Alok Limited to Raymond Limited. This is basically because talking about Alok India Limited and Raymond India Limited, just let me give you a brief up about both these companies. Alok is present into the entire textile value space, directly from yarn till the final garmenting, as well as in the made up category. But despite being present into the entire value added front, its business is more of a commodity in nature. There is no big brand which Alok can boast of, not even a big brand. It does not even have its own brand in the domestic market. So the business is much more commodity in nature. Apart from that, when I look at the balance sheet and the financial statements of Alok Industries, the company is the balance sheet is quite stretched. The debt equity ratio is hovering at around 3.5 to 4x. That's the kind of a leverage that the company has. Apart from that, the free cash flow position is also quite precarious. So looking at all these things, the fundamentals as well as financial strength of Alok Industries is not good. Now let us talk about Raymond Limited. Raymond Limited, we have a buy call on this stock since quite some time, and since then the stock has also appreciated a lot. Now again we believe that the company would continue to outperform. This is basically because the company has very strong brands in its portfolio. There are 4 powerful brands in its portfolio: Park Avenue, Raymond, Color Plus, Parks. All the 4 brands are doing extremely well. They are into a first 5 positioning in their respective market segments. So the brand positioning is quite strong. Apart from that, the legacy issues which were there in the company from 2007 to 2010, those issues have been sorted out. So the company is on its growth radar. That we have seen in the numbers also. The last 3 quarters numbers have been really good. So the outperformance is continuing to happen. Overall, again, for the future outlook also, we are quite positive on Raymond Limited, and we expect around 26.7% compound annual growth rate for the company for the next 2 years time frame. So overall, the company's strengths are its powerful brands, its distribution setup, and a fast growing focus on the power brands, which was missing since quite some time. Now that has again come back. So overall, the company's positioning is very strong, and thus we continue to have a positive view on Raymond Limited. That's the reason we have asked for a switch from Alok Industries to Raymond Limited, because we believe that the latter is much more better, much more and strategically well placed company. When we look at the valuations also, the valuations are also quite attractive for Raymond. It is trading at around 10.8x its price earning multiple, whereas you look at other branded apparel play like Page Industries, Titan, or even Keval Kiran Clothing, which is our coverage stock, they are trading in the band of around 15 to 22x its FY13 earnings, and here we have a Raymond with 4 power brands with only 10.8x. Overall, we prefer Raymond Limited to Alok Limited, because in Alok we do not see any triggers, plus a deteriorating financial statement makes us all the more negative on the stock. Hence we prefer a switch from Alok Limited to Raymond India, and our target price for Raymond is 500 rupees. This is based on sum of parts valuation, wherein we have attached separate value for land and separate value for the core retail business. Thanks.